In this video we are going to work on calculating negative powers of numbers. If you key these questions in your calculator, you will find the answers like 1 over 8, 1 over 10,000 and 1 over 36. The reason is that when you have a negative power, this means that you have to write a fraction, and it's going to be something like 1 over 2 to the power of 3. Basically, you change the sign of the power when you write as a fraction like this. And reciprocal means that you write, for example, 2 to the power of negative 1 to be 1 over 2. That's the reciprocal of 2, right? So basically you change the sign if you're writing it as a fraction. That's why you end up with 1 over 8, because 2 cubed is 8 and you have it in the denominator. And 10 to the power of 4 is 10,000. 6 squared is 36. That's why you get these numbers. In these questions you can use the fraction button and the power button to write these down in your calculator, and you will basically find when you do so, that's going to be 3 over 2, that's going to be 49 over 25, and the third one will be 5 over 4. The reason is that, well, just because it's minus 1, we're going to be writing this as 1 over 2/3 of to the power of 1. So this will be 1 over 2/3, meaning 1 times 3 over 2. Remember, if you're dividing by a fraction, you can just flip this fraction and then write it as 3 over 2 to make it a multiplication. So it's going to be 3 over 2. The second one is 1 over 5 over 7 squared. Remember that we are changing signs when we are writing the reciprocal, and it's going to be 1 over 25 over 49. For the same reason as I discussed in the first question, I'm going to end up with 49 over 25. Basically, if you have a fraction like that, you can just carry the denominator to the numerator to have the final answer. And the third one will be 1 over 16 over 25 to the power of 1/2. Well, this means basically taking the root. So you can consider this as 1 over 16 to the power of 1 over 2 and 25 to the power of 1 over 2, which will give you 1 over 4 over 5. And then again you can write this as 5 over 4. You can work these out like this. Now work on these exercise set, and yes, you can use your calculator, but if you can work out the calculations, the solutions, if you can show your work, it's better, because when variables are involved you will need the ways, the methods to approach these questions. So please solve these and submit your answers online. Thank you.